Hey guys, oh my god, I just got out of the shower. As you can see, I did a hydration mask. I also did a leave-in conditioner for curls, but I wanted to show you guys really quick. Last night I just went on a rabbit hole because I couldn't sleep about heatless waves, and so I got me one of these. This is the satin heatless curling set by Kits. Dang, I don't know how to pronounce that, but this is it right here. It comes with 2 scrunchies and then the headband on one piece. First, you need to section your hair. And so I want the middle. Okay. Now I am going to put this over my head, and I'm gonna put it where you usually put a headband, which is kind of like in the middle. And I'm going to grab this one side. I'm not gonna lie, this is a little challenging. But we're gonna make it work. I'm dead. This is the reality though, you guys. Just don't move. Okay. Okay, we're gonna do that. And then I am going to just, I want these to be kind of like forward. So I'm gonna grab a section and I'm going to twist it around. And then this section that I twisted around, I'm gonna grab more hair from the front. And that same section that I dropped, I'm gonna twist it around. Grab more hair. Twist it around. Grab more hair. Honestly, I feel like the girls that do this make it seem way more easy than what it is. I mean, I guess it's not that hard, but just want to make sure that I'm grabbing all the hair. I'm just going to twist this around and around all the way to the end. I'm just gonna grab my scrunchie and I'm going to lock this in place. Since I'm going out tonight, I am going to probably use like a blow dryer. Is it blow dryer? Hair dryer. Blow dryer? I can use both, right? That way my hair dries really good. I think I kind of want to leave the ends a little out like this so they're not like completely curled. Okay, and then I'm gonna do this side. And you're supposed to brush really good so that way you don't get like wonky curls or waves. You guys, if this works out for me, oh my god, you bet I'm gonna be doing my hair like this, because honestly I don't like doing my hair. Like, I don't enjoy it. That's not who I am. I like doing makeup and that's it. Really? It's weird on this side. I'm gonna secure this thing right here. I don't know why I have to make funny faces, but I hope you enjoy. And then I'm just going to put them back. And it has wires that adjust to whatever shape you're giving them. So I think that's very helpful. Honestly, I don't really want to do much with them. The people that I've seen do this hairstyle, they kind of like tuck it in and fold it. I just kind of want it to be lay down. That way when I take this off, then my curls are not like all bunched up here. I'm scared. I'm scared, but I'm excited because, like I said, if this does work, then this is how I'm gonna be doing my hair. You guys, I finally waxed my mustache. Can you tell? I want to show you guys, oh my god, I want to show you guys the products, the hair products that I use, because that hydration mask that I used just now in the shower, first of all, it smells delicious, and second of all, my hair felt so smooth and hydrated. This is the hydration mask by Shea Moisture. I am so sorry if I'm not pronouncing it right. And then this is the XoxO Curled Charisma Defining Cream. I am going to do my makeup and then I will come back. This is moment of truth. We're gonna see what we are working with. By the way, it's only been like 2 hours since I've done this. So if my curls end up falling, I'm definitely gonna try it again. I definitely did this side a little bit thicker, so there's also that. Yeah, my hair is still definitely wet. That's okay. Wow, my hair looks so shiny. Okay, let me turn around so I can show you guys the back. Yeah, I feel like it's still pretty wet, but I really like this. Look at this curl. This is so cute. I would definitely have to kind of mess with it a little bit, make it a little bit more puffy. So if I do this, I think I'm gonna try this again and I'm just gonna sleep with it on. But I think this is so cute. Like I can see if this is how all of my hair is gonna look like after I wake up and take them off. That is pretty. I'm gonna give it a try tonight when I get back, and tomorrow morning I will show you guys the result, because I feel like this is not like a fair chance. Good morning, you guys. So time has passed. I ended up sleeping with this on probably for about 5 hours. Please don't mind my morning voice. I'm still working on it. I'm warming up for the day. I'm so scared. Mostly because I just want to like this and I want this to be a good outcome. But if anything, I'll just practice more and more. Oh yeah, these curls are curled. Oh my god. I am shooketh. It technically says on here that you can also do this action. Oh snaps, that is looking so cute. You guys, these curls are curled. Look at this bounce. Oh my god, I am shooketh. I am so shooketh. Okay, so I'm gonna try and get some volume up here. Kind of revive this hair a little. I want it to breathe. I'm just gonna run my fingers through my hair and try and style it that way. Oh my god, you guys. What the freak? This is so cute. I feel like I would want to put some hairspray up here to style it a little bit better. But honestly, I feel like this did a good job. I feel like I want to fix this hair right here. Okay, let me try and style it a little bit and then I will be right back. Okay, guys, so I actually went ahead and I curled some pieces on this side just so it can match like the definition on this side, and then the back too. I did a few pieces here, and then down at the bottom as well I curled a few pieces too. So I would say in order for your curls to be more even, I would try and make it as evenly tight on both sides. I feel like this side was a little bit more loose than this side, and that's why that happened. But I feel like overall I do recommend the product. I'm definitely gonna try it again. I feel like this is a great way to style your hair without using heat. Yeah, I definitely like the curls. I feel like they're super bouncy, they're shiny, they look healthy, and I feel like they're gonna last me all day. So what do you guys think? Let me know down in the comment section below. Let me know if there's certain techniques that you might use to get your curls maybe more even, more defined. I'm gonna be linking everything below so you guys can check out the products. I got the hair mask at Target, and then I got the curling set over at Ulta along with the Briogeo defining cream. So yeah, I'm just gonna put those 3 links down in the comment section. I hope you guys liked this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you did. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and I hope to see you guys all in my next one. Bye.